Okay, so let's start. So sketch, what lesson we learn about sketching? 7B, right? But so what is the difference between this and 7B?
Solve for x.
Yes, 7B, I always give you the factor form, right? Easy to tell the solution. But this one, there's no, it's not on a factor form. So that's why you need to do the lesson 7D, where you need to factor it by the zero. Okay, that's why I'm saying the lesson 7E is not new. It's just combine 7D and 7B. Okay, so that's what we basically review for the quiz as well. Okay, all right. Who can help me with this? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So first you will take out the greatest common factor, which is x.
Very good. What is this then? What do you have left?
X cubed
X cubed.
minus 12 x minus 16.
Very good. Okay. Now, three terms. One point for David first. 1 point for David. Three terms. Melanie.
That's 5.
Okay. Finding combinations. Okay. 16.
No.
Oh, try formula. Okay.
No,
No.
no, because it's cubed. No?
Okay, we handle this. Lewis.
No.
Rational root theorem y. Exactly. So 1 point for Lewis. Not okay, we not even touch this. Remember? Yes. When the power is odd, you cannot do finding combination. You can only do combination when the power is even. So don't even try to, you not need to try to find two number yet, because this is cube. You cannot do finding combination. Okay, so to save your time, you can try synthetic division, but you will find -2 solution. Okay. You can try 1, -1, 2, -2, but because I want you to have more time for quiz, so I'm telling you -2 is solution. When you get to say -2, you will get 0 remainder. Who wants to practice the synthetic division? That I already gave you. Okay, Melanie, get 1 point. 1. Okay, who else? See, 5. Chris. 0. Yeah, be careful, be careful. I know, you're missing the square. Make sure you double check it in your work, okay? 1 point for Chris. Give a look at me until I give the point. All right, Chris, let's go. -2, okay. -2.
-2 is not the solution.
4.
Oh.
-8. 16. 0. Good. Take one last step, Chris. How do you write it? X plus 2. How do you feel it here? X squared. Okay. Then another mistake you can make here is x squared. You're gonna write x cubed because you look at here. You say, oh, this is 4. I'm gonna write x cubed here. But is it correct? No. You start from here. You not start from there. Okay. So 1 power down from here, it should be x squared. So x squared here, x and number. All right, very good. 1 point for Chris. Oh, that's 2 point already. All right, yo, welcome. Done. Finding combination, 3 term, and then this is the even. Okay, so what number is this?
4 and 2.
4 and 2. 4 can give you -2, right? So, okay. Let me write here so you can see it. Okay, 4 and 2. What is the sign for the sign of 2 can give you -2?
-4 plus
-4 plus 2. Okay. Solution is
x minus 2. -2.
-2,
4
4,
x minus 2. dr. Well,
dr, right? We repeat it twice. See that? -2, -2. So this is the dr right here. Is it correct so far?
The x,
1 point for Dana. Donovan?
the x in the front.
Yeah,
oh,
the x right here.
well.
Okay. Don't forget this way. At least I see one student forgot this. At least So I hope none of you in this class gonna forget this, okay? Always check. You so focused on synthetic division for this one, you forgot there's an x on the front, okay? Because x on the front also give you solution x equal to
Zero.
0. All right.
When you
Yeah, question.
So when you get like when you use like the theorem, the P and Q
Yeah.
part right there, do you would the Q be the X?
No,
Like the X or the X Q?
x cube. Because you're doing this, you don't do this. This is already factored out, this is already done. Like you know for sure it's gonna be x equal to 0. You're gonna do this. So key, I just skip the step of rational root theorem. I hope you remember how to do it. Yeah. P is 16, so you have 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 8 and plus minus 16. Okay. And then you can try, because this is the 1, so probably all of them is the P over Q. You can try 1, -1, 2, -2. So -2, you will find it is 0. I just skip the step. Yeah. But just ask me if you want me to go over that as well. Okay. All right. Now, this is already on a factor form. Come back to lesson 7B. That's where you can sketch it. Okay, so 7B now.
Oh.
That's why nothing new in this lesson, nothing new. And then it's a good for review. Okay, who remember this? You should remember we're gonna have a quiz. Okay, Irma.
So you have the X plane.
Exactly. Plot the solution on the graph, okay? On the x-axis or y-axis?
X
X-axis. So 0,
-2,
-2,
4,
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, because the question is sketching.
and then like square -2.
Very good. Square on -2 because that's dr. The square here, remind me this is square, okay? Also, is there anything else square? That's it, right? Okay, good. What the next thing we need to do?
Then find the middle point.
Find the middle point. Yes, find the middle point. Yeah. Do you find the middle point of -2 and 4?
No.
No. You only find the middle point of 2 consecutive solutions. Okay, like -2 and 0, 0 and 4. Not like this. Okay, 2 consecutive solutions. Okay, so what is the middle point of -2 and 0? -1. What is the middle of 0 and 4? 2. Is -1 and 2 going to be on the x-axis? No, because they are not solution. Okay, yeah, give Irma 1 point. So how can I know where is the -1 and 2? The T table, very good, T table. -1 and 2. Question, where should I plug it in?
The first.
Yeah, yeah, yes, okay. No.
The
Really?
second one.
Here?
Yes.
No.
Oh, we could just do it.
This one is the best. When should you plug it in right here? Only when there's a number. Who remember? We did last time. 0. If you have the point 0, then the best is plug it in here because the 0 all gone. You see, easy to count. But other than that, other than 0, plug it in here is the best. You don't need to dealing with the power anything, right? So okay, let's do this, and then you get point. You can just plug it in. -1 plus 2 is 1. -1 minus 4 is -5. -1 plus 2 is.
My bad.
Oh, what did you say? Sure. Okay. 1, right? When you see a lot of number like this, remember just multiply number first. Take care of the sign later. So 5, 1, so 5. How many negative you see here? 2. So it's a positive. Yeah. Take care of number first and sign later. Let's reduce. Let's change it. This second. Last one, Curry. 2, 4, -2, 4. Oh, actually, this one's square, right? So 4 square is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times -2 is -64. Okay, 1 point for credit.
What?
You just multiply calculator. Get calculator for your quiz. Abraham, take care of notes. No phone, no phone.
Yeah, how? How much?
I plug it in 2 here. I have 2, right? 2 plus 2? 4. 2 minus 4, -2. 2 plus 2, 4. Just and then just put on calculator.
Get the 2 and the negative.
What do you guys think?
Oh, 4 square, right? 4 square is 60. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. Yeah.
Like I know how you did. like, the
Those
right-
number is
the
common.
numbers negative.
32, 64, 60. Yeah.
Right?
And I-
Yes.
They're the numbers in,
Yeah, but you the XX.
in between, like right in the middle.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So negative 1 and 5, just to plot again. You don't need to exact. Just
Oh,
plot
right.
any point.
Right.
Okay. So negative 1 and 5. What else? 2 and negative 64. Just plot any down here and say this is 2 negative 64. We just want to know what the shape look like. You don't need to exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 64. It'll take you the whole period. You do it. Okay. All right. Now on the 7B, what do we do after this?
Do the and behavior.
Draw the end, two endpoint, right? But how do I know the two endpoint? Then you need to the 7A kick in right here. Okay. What is LC?
Leading
What's the positive?
Positive or negative?
positive.
You look at here or you look at here?
There.
Now you look at here better. Okay. In this question, you have actually two forms, standard and factor. So take advantage of it. This is really good. This is where you should look for the LC degree. Okay. So LC is positive and degree is
Even.
even. It's a 4, right?
Yeah.
So okay.
Wait, how do you do that again?
Yes, LC, you look at here. Look at this one. Don't look at this. Yeah, look at here better. What is the LC? LC is the leading term, the highest power. And then leading coefficient is the number in front of it. The number in front of it is 1. You don't need to know number, just need to know is it positive or negative. Okay? Positive, yeah? And then degree, the highest power. You only need to look at this leading term. The highest power is 4. 4 is even. Okay? If I ask you to catch this, you can just write right away. Okay, the right end going up, the left end going
Up,
down,
two.
Oh.
up because it's even.
Yeah.
But if I ask you to describe the end behavior for the 7A, you need to write me the answer like this. Okay, this is the math language. Okay, later on you go to AP calculus. This is the language you're gonna use. You don't say oh X. You don't see in Word. X go to right side, then the graph going to go into the right side. No, you don't do that on the higher map. This is the language you're going to use. When X goes to positive infinity, we talk about here. That means when X on the right side, f of X, the graph going to go up. Yeah, going to positive infinity as well. This is positive infinity. This is negative infinity. This is negative infinity. What is the second line?
It's supposed to negative.
Yeah. You need to write it. This is a template, okay? You need to memorize this. And then fx go to
Positive.
even. So just copy this out. They're gonna same direction. Okay? So the right side is going up. I'm gonna find a point on the very right going up. The left side is going up as well. So the point on the very left, this one also going up. Okay? Now just need to connect this point, and this
I
point.
mean, what the hell that?
LC leading coefficient. Yeah. So by doing the two ends, you can see only one way to connect all of this. You need to come up to hit this, come down to hit this, even down to hit this, and come back up to hit this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why it's very beneficial to draw two ends first.
Wow.
If you don't have a two end first, you will confuse because of the VR. You don't know how to get here, and eventually you will draw something like this. So draw two ends first. Okay. Yes. You want from here, middle point or the two end? The two end? Okay, because the LC, let me remind you if you still confused here. LC leading coefficient is positive. Why? LC is the number in front of the highest power. Okay, the highest power is x4. The number in front is 1. 1 is positive. Positive, let me know the right side graph will go up because it's a positive. Okay, positive, let me know the right side go up. And then degree is even because it's in 4. The 4 tell me that they're going to have same direction on the two ends. And then if the right go up, the left must go up as well. So this is also going up. Okay. So the right going up, I start from the point on very right instead of the point on very right. Go up. The point on the very left also go up. So I have the two ends first. Now the graph must pass this point, right? -1 and 5. Pass this point because that's the solution. and part this point because this is right here. Okay. How do you wrap them? Just you only have two ends. You know this need to come back here to hit this. You know that it need to go all the way here to hit all of them. This one and this one, and come over here to make a whole wrap. Yeah. Just connect all the points. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points to connect. Yeah. So we actually revealed 7D, 7B, and 7A as well. Any questions so far? Okay, good.
What's your for the well, I don't know, say my
You ready to do it? You got it?
Okay. It's not a guy.
No, they're not right.
Just give us
How about a lot of you gonna get perfect score for this quiz? It's easy, it's short, it should be make you happy before the spring break. 5 questions only.
I don't think they've ever made.
You gonna pay your stamps again?
Huh?
You gonna pay your stamps again? I'm gonna start my work. You ready?
The rational root theorem,
I don't know. I don't know.
right? If you can't,
Listen, you think, no, like,
Oh,
it's-
the money
like,
too.
stamp, but it's not-
It's,
So,
Well,
like, they're not so negative.
if they do, I will know. I will know. You know why? Because you're the same stamp for all the period. So if you're using different one, I will know.
You know
See, that's why he has like more than 200
it can
stamps.
be any letter.
Imagine
This can
that.
be any letter, yeah?
Do you mind if it's any letter when we write it down, or does it have to be the same as the?
So if the problem gives you this letter, you need to stick with it letter.
He's a math teacher.
But if you forgot to using any letter, I'm not gonna take one off.
Every very.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take
No,
one
but
off.
what if I want to?
If you want to purposely, I'm gonna take 0 for paper.
What would
Hey,
you?
Mr.
No, don't worry about it, don't worry about
It
it.
could be any letter.
Okay, can we start? 4 terms?
that means root
What's the
natural.
worst way you teach? Like, what's the best way to teach?
I will tell you that later.
You never-
Rational.
Like, not
root
before the
theorem.
quiz. 4 term.
Rational root theorem.
Yeah, should do grouping, but the grouping not gonna work, right? Look at the number. 1 and 5, 3 and 9. They're not gonna have common factor for you. Okay? If you don't know what I'm talking about, just try grouping first. You will see it's not gonna work. Okay? Then you're gonna use rational root theorem. Okay?
You take out the negative and you just leave it.
So that's a very good question. Okay, do we take the negative out?
No, because.
No, you don't take negative out. Okay. When do we need to take a negative out? When?
You guys say?
From the GCD,
When GCD, yeah. When GCD. Okay. There's no GCD.
So we group run, right?
Yeah. No, grouping not gonna work. 1 and 5, 3 and 9, that's gonna
Oh, yeah.
work. That's gonna work. Okay. So P and Q. Do you want me to review P and Q?
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, all right, let's do that. Let's do that.
Any church.
P is constant. The constant here is 9. Okay, so this is the P.
Oh.
Can you give me all the factors of P of 9?
Plus minus 1.
Actually, okay, you already on. Fernando, let's go.
Plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 1.
All right, that's it, right? Q.
Uh,
Q is -1, right? But it's still, you always need to write plus and minus, okay? And because Q is 1, so P divided by Q, when you divide it by 1, basically set everything here, right? So this is P divided by Q. Question?
Do I have to put plus minus with that?
You need to, yeah, you need to. Because 9 also divided by -9.
I don't know, like, write the numbers and I already know it's plus minus, so I get points on plus minus on it.
Why don't you just write plus and minus? It takes you like not even 1 second. Yeah? Later on, now you can remember, but later on, you probably forget, yeah.
What if you like confuse P and Q? And you put the constant for Q and then.
Again, as long as if you mess up, but you give me the correct answer, I'm not gonna take one off. But if you mess up and you got the wrong answer, then it's gonna be a big deal, okay? If you're messing the ladder, I know that doesn't matter, but if the more important is the concept,
Can you give an example where it's not only plus one, or you only have plus one in the.
for the sake of practice, even if I give you the quiz, I'm not give you any number here to make it less complicated, okay?
How do you know when to use the PQ method and when to use grouping?
Good question, Clarence, can you answer that?
Oh my gosh.
It's a question.
No, that's a question, no,
If you try
every
it,
question is good,
it's fine,
yeah.
right? Other.
So I'm gonna leave that table for you right there. So let me look at that. 2 terms, you're gonna use formula. 3 terms, you're gonna use following combination. 4 terms, you're gonna use grouping, okay? But if you try grouping here, that's not gonna work. Just try it. Yeah, you can try. Yeah, but that's not gonna work. I guarantee you it's not gonna work. So that's a good question. That's a good question. When you see more than 4 terms, or you see none of above method work, you use rational theorem. Yeah? Good. Okay.
Are there like complex solutions?
Huh?
Are there like complex
I don't know. I don't know. Just focus about this. No question about a quiz, okay? Focus about this, okay? Any other questions? All right, so use synthetic division to check, but because of the time,
One is gonna.
one is solution. Yes, one is solution. So Donovan, you want to do it so you can get point?
Sure. -1,
Oh, it's with-
-5, -3, and 9.
Okay, drop this.
-1, plus -6, and -9.
Right, how do you write it? X.
X minus 1,
What is the letter again?
x squared, x,
Very good.
minus x squared,
Mhm.
minus x. Take x minus. And
Yeah.
what about the negative number? Does it,
Where's the
does
negative?
it matter? Like, how the original one has a
Ooh,
negative?
good question. What about a negative here?
We're still writing.
So you wanna write a negative in the front like this?
No. No.
Very good question. Okay. Question for you. Question for you. Oh, after we've done everything, but I thought it's a negative on the front. Oh, listen, you always said that there should not be negative on the front on this. Yeah, we already took care of it by this one. Yeah, so we already took care of it. So no more negative right here. Okay? It actually is still here. It brought down to here already. Okay? But here, 3 terms. No?
Yeah,
9 is 3 and 3.
3 and 3.
But you need to do GCD first. Okay, let's give Karin 1 point and Valerie 1 point. Now, this is the time for you to take out a negative because say you take out a negative when you're doing the GCD. We just literally talk about it. Okay. So now you need to take care of negative. Okay. Negative outside x minus 1, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay. And now you can do the finding combination 3 and 3. So remember to take out a negative when we do GCD. Okay, remember that.
I think it's for like.
X plus 3 square. Is that correct?
Yes.
Question. Ask me. Yeah.
The negative x minus 1.
The negative x minus 1. Okay, so x minus 1 is from the solution. Yeah. The negative I factor from here. You can remember we cannot have a negative on the front like this when we do the GCD and finding combination. Yeah, so I factor the negative out from here. After I factor the negative out from here, all of this is change the sign. So negative divided by negative become positive, negative divided by negative become positive, negative divided by negative become positive. Only one parenthesis, okay? Don't apply to here. Don't flip the sign here, okay? The x plus 3, you know why x plus 3 square? Yeah?
Yeah, so 3 and 3,
Yeah, x plus 3 and x plus 3. Okay.
double root.
Yes, double root. Yes. So x equal to negative 3, double root. And then x equal to 1. Is there anything to do with the negative in the front here? No. Okay. So here's the thing. If you keep the negative here, you're gonna get wrong solution. You see This is -3, you're gonna give -3 and -3. The solution is 3, not -3. So that's why you need to check this one out. Okay.
Yeah.
Give Donovan 1 point earlier too. Right.
Yeah.
If I half it, I feel better.
Save the information. Don't give it for free. Oh, you want to know $2?
Keep my sanity.
After this semester, Natalie like buying a house.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, let's finish it. Okay. I want you to help me with this. Melanie, let's go.
For other classes.
Oh, we here right now. 1 and -3 they are. What you gonna do next?
You plug in on the X
Right, so 1 is here
and then
and -3. 1, 2, 3. What about -3? Yeah, the little box right, the square right here because that's going to be DR, right? Okay. Then middle point going to be -1. Very good. -1 here. Where do I plug it in? Do I plug it in here or do I plug it in here? This one better. Okay. Last mistake. You see, if you plug in -1 right here, the chance you're going to make a mistake. -1 cube is, see, that makes like right there. See, that a live example. -1 cube is,
Negative.
it's still -1. And -1 with a negative on the front will become
Negative 1.
positive. See, don't plug it in here. Plug it in here. So I have a negative on the front. -1 minus 1 is -2. -1 plus 3 is
It's just 8.
2. Square. Yeah, it is
8.
8.
-8.
-8.
8.
Positive
8. It's 8.
Positive 8. Okay, 2 squares 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And you have 2 negative, become positive. So do the number first and do the negative. Okay, Melanie, ask me. Which one? Which one? Which one? Ask me. Yeah, you have question. The negative in the front, you gotta factor out the negative right here. You don't want negative in the front when we do factoring or combination. Yeah, we will talk about it. So pay attention. Pay attention. We talk about this. -1, 8. So around here it's -1 and 8. All right. LC.
Negative.
1 more from Melanie. Want
Negative.
to do it? Valerie, let's go. Negative, right? Odd. So here's the thing. If I want to sketch only from here, I already know what does that mean. So I don't need to get the whole thing here. That's only when I ask you to describe and behavior. Okay. So negative, that's mean on the right side. Go
Down.
down.
The left. Goes on.
The left go up because odd, different direction. Okay. All right. So from here you can connect it. You know, if you want to cut this point, you need to come up, and that's the DR take care already take care of. Okay. And then going down. That's it. Oh, also when you wrap them, don't make a sharp turn. Okay. Does it make sense? If you make a sharp turn.
Is
Okay?
that a point off?
I'm not gonna take point off for this, but I just want to make sure you don't make a mistake. Yeah.
Did it bounce it 2 times? This is hard.
This is hard.
No.
I don't know. I don't do it at the same time. So you here I can give you point, okay? All right. When do you know the lesson is so easy? When you see some students sleeping in our class. Yeah.
Oh,
That's how you know it's so boring and easy.
find the GCD.
GCD first. GCD first. Always do a GCD first. Okay. What is GCD? Sabrina, you want to try? Okay. David.
X. Then you write x cubed plus 2x squared minus 16x minus 32.
Very good. 1 point for David. Now, Kayla, let's go. Repeat.
X squared,
Mm-hmm.
and then x plus 2,
Mm-hmm.
then negative 16,
Mhm.
which is x plus 2.
Very good. Okay. X,
X plus 2,
x plus 2,
then it's x squared minus 16.
x squared minus 16. Very good. What is solution? X is
X equals 0, x equals negative 2, x equals
very good.
Yeah.
1 point for Kayla.
Wait, what? Oh, no.
Last period, the student answer O plus minus 4 square root of I. I'm like, square root of I? You're gonna be a new person invented new concept of math. There's no square root of I, okay? There's no square root of I.
Wait,
Yeah. Over. You why? Yeah, sure.
So positive.
Do we ever seen square root of I?
Yeah, we have.
Yes.
I think I saw it as like one of your examples of not what
Square root of I?
of what not to do. Like the I inside the
You- Yeah, you're gonna be like new Einstein, like invent a new thing. No, there's no square root of I, okay?
No, we have,
Square root,
no, we have to graph
square
it.
root negative 1.
Square root of negative 1 is I, yes, but there's no square root of I.
We're gonna say the same thing, so.
Can we review
Yeah, math.
the lesson? So you can see that happen. Who wants to try it? Andrea, let's do it. You need point. You need point. What you gonna do next? After you got the solution, what you gonna do next? Okay, how you wrap it? All right, 0 right here. What else? Negative 2. What else? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and
And negative 4.
negative 4. Negative 3, negative 4. All right. What is the midpoint? What is the midpoint? Again, you're gonna find a midpoint of each consecutive solution. Okay. Don't find the midpoint of this. Don't find the midpoint of this. Find the midpoint of this, and of this. Every 2 consecutive. Okay. So what is the midpoint here?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. What is the midpoint here? Negative 1. And what's the midpoint here? Negative.
With positive 2.
Positive 2. Okay. So negative 1. Negative 3. 2. Okay. Okay. 1 point for Andrea. I'm gonna do it quick. Okay. I'm gonna assume that you know where to plug it in, and you can use calculator. Okay. Oh, I still have 3 calculators.
Huh.
You need the calculator for the quiz. So plug it in you want. All right. So negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Negative 1 square is positive 1. Positive 1 minus 16 is
15.
negative 15.
That's a 15.
Yeah, that's a 15. Good. Negative 3. Negative 3. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Negative 3 square is 9. 9 minus 16 is
Huh? I don't know.
negative 7.
What is happening?
That's negative 21.
Negative 3 squared 9. 9 minus 16.
Negative 21.
Negative 21. 2.
I'm bored. I said, no.
4 minus 16. Negative 12. 8. 24 times 4.
24 times. Oh,
24, right? 24.
2 times 12.
no one's gonna get that.
Oh,
Yeah.
Me.
You can do whatever first. Yeah. Okay. Now Sabrina. What is the LC? Positive. Very good. What is the degree? Even. Good. So positive mean the left or the right? The right going up. Okay. And then even mean the left also go up. Very good. 1 point for Sabrina.
Where did you do that?
Good job. So negative 115 right here. And then negative 3, negative 21. So right here. 2 and -96 all the way down here, okay? Again, you don't need to give me a sack, just estimate it. Since you have two ends right now, you can connect it. It need to pass this point, so I need to go down. It need to pass this point, so we need to go up again. Pass this point, go up here. Pass this point, go down here. Pass this point, all the way down here, and then connect to this. Yeah.
I think I got this.
What happened? Hey, you're wrong.
God, you're wrong.
Wait,
You're wrong.
Did I'm wrong? Which one is wrong?
Donovan said you're wrong to say.
never mind, you're right.
I know I'm right. It's not because I'm cocky, but because I did it on the period 2 already. I know what it looks like. That's it.
This is like, I'm never wrong.
Yeah, trust me, I'm a teacher. Well, we're still human, still make mistake. I'm still wrong.
I'm totally never wrong.
That's why here, no one perfect. That's why pencil have eraser. That's my favorite quote right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, wow,
Oh, wow, yeah.
so inspiring. Wow.
Like before I forget everything.
Wait, that's so long.
Maybe we can do it
Do we
Monday.
group up?
Hi.
All right.
No, no way.
No, we put the GCD.
No, no, no.
All right, last one. Last one.
Okay, group up. I'm GCD,
What we gonna do first? Ruby, what we gonna do first?
GCD.
You didn't raise your hand, you didn't get point today. Try it. Okay, time's up. Who else? Ruby, let's go. What do you think? GCD, what is GCD? X squared, what do you have left? S cubed minus 2x squared minus 20x and minus 24. Ruby, is it going to be 2 grouping?
No.
No. Yes, grouping not gonna work. Okay, one more for Ruby. Why? You can try, but if you can see 1 and 2, 20 and 4. Can 20 and 4 give you like similar 1 and 2? The common factor? No. If you want 1 and 2, this number should be 12. Yeah, or this number should be 40. Like you can like get 1 and 2 from here. Yeah.
Do the rational root.
Rational root theorem. So what number you're gonna try? There's a lot of number right here. Plus minus. Okay, maybe just write down. Okay. Plus minus 1. Plus minus 2. Plus minus 3. I know, sometimes it's your mind, your hand is different. Plus minus 4. Plus minus 6. No, 4 times 6 is already 24. You know that it's going back already. So how you get the next number? Divide the next one. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And then 24 divided by 1 is 24.
Negative 2 is gonna work.
So how many total candidate for solution? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. Okay. If you try for the rest of your life, you will find that it's going to be negative 2.
Yeah. That's what I said. Negative 2.
Can I do this in better English? That's good.
I think
How many points David have, Natalie,
confidential.
Probably has someone like,
for this week?
only six.
6. Okay, you good.
That's not
Melanie,
five.
1,
Negative
-2,
negative 20,
-20, -24. Good. 1,
negative two,
-2,
four.
4.
Negative.
If you do it wrong, I'm gonna take one off. Okay, this is our lesson. Okay, take the risk. -2 times -4. Now you're using calculator. 8. Great. Okay.
Negative 12.
-12. I hope you don't use calculator for this. 2 times 12.
0.
0. All right. Okay, let me come here so you can see it. How you okay? 1 point for Melanie. Who wants to try this? Carlos, you didn't have point today. Oh, you have enough or what? Do you have enough point?
I got it.
Okay, don't know about that.
No, wait, what?
You
Oh.
okay? Now Carlos then.
Oh,
Okay, no one?
Me?
Okay.
Just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Want to try or?
let's try.
Yeah, I want to.
That
Huh?
one.
All right, you didn't pay attention. Okay, Sabrina, let's go.
What? I need points.
Four
Look.
minus, no.
X plus 2.
What letter? X4?
Wait, yeah.
So this is 5. So this is going to be X4.
No, X squared.
X squared.
X squared. You're looking at this. Okay. X squared and X. Okay. So X squared minus 4X minus 12. All right. 1 point for Sabrina. Now don't number. Go.
You gotta bring the X squared down.
Exactly. Don't forget the X squared. Okay. The X squared is right there. You should focus on this. You probably will forget. I know one of you will forget. Okay. All right. Now
Find the
Three
common
terms.
factor.
finding
Common. Oh, common.
combination, a common factor. So 12 is
6 and 2.
6 and 2. Oh, 6 and 2 can give me 4 already.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Minus-
another 1 and 3 and 4. So you know that's not gonna work. So x6 and x2. What is the sign?
Minus plus
Minus 6 and plus 2. Oh,
2 double roots.
2 is negative 2 is the root. Okay.
And also 0.
So 0, very good, is the root. X equal to negative 2, also the root. X equal to 6. All right. 1 point for Donovan.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
There's two. Two X two.
Yeah. What my birthday last name?
You're welcome.
You don't see it?
You want you, Joanna?
Wait.
Oh, Valerie, right? Valerie? Did you raise your hand on this? Yeah, yeah, get some point.
I can't fall asleep to that.
Huh?
0, the root. Okay. And what is the middle number? Negative 1.
That one right there.
Yeah, that one right there. 3.
Oh, right there.
Oh, okay. That one. All right. I like how you say that one right there. Yes, mister. Just do it. You know how to do it. Negative 1. Plug it in where?
That one.
That one. Negative 1 square is, okay, good. Let's give Valerie 1 point. Negative 1 square is 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. Use calculator, okay? Just make sure you don't mess up with this. Negative 1 plus 2 is still 1. So this is negative 7. 3. You're gonna get a big number here. So 3 square is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5.
45.
Or 5 square. Okay, so just do it square here. And 5 minus 6 is negative 1. No, 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. So use calculator. 25 square, 5 square 25. 25 times 3 is negative 75. Negative 75 times 9. What is that? Very good. Just use calculator. Just use
Yeah,
calculator.
yeah,
Okay.
Uh-huh.
What?
No, she used calculator for 2 and 12. What do you get? What do you think?
Oh, that.
Yeah, no, that is good. Use calculator. Sometimes don't trust the mental map. When you do a test, the mental map sometimes can be wrong. So use calculator is good. Don't get me wrong. I'm just kidding, but yeah. All right. Sabrina, okay. When the time wants to give you point, then you go. Okay. Okay, let's see Sabrina point because she needs point. She doesn't have enough point. LC,
Plus. Positive. Okay, but.
all right, don't cover your mouth.
Andrea, go.
And then
Go
you
down,
need
G.
She can do it. She can do it. Yeah, she can do it by herself. I can help you, so you can do it. Degree,
It's funny how you just.
no. LC, positive, so go up, the right side go up. So you gotta like, odd, good one down. The left go down. Okay, yeah, you can go. 1 point with Sabrina. So we need to hit this point, and hit this point. There's only one way to do it, okay? I need to go down to hit this, I need to go up to hit this, and then I need to go down to hit this. And I need to go up to hit this. Yeah, That's it.
Oh, great. We just not have a minute.
All right.
Is that it? That's it.
Yeah, that's it.